Hi everyone, Linda Canase here to share a fun tutorial on how to assemble my Tropicool twist box. Plus, I'll share some of the many variations possible with this design. For any style of twist box, you will need to die cut 6 side panels and 1 hexagon base. To add variety to your twist box, you can add different shapes to create windows in the sides of the box. Just place a square shape in the opening when you die cut the side panels. Add words or shapes, then mix up the panels to suit your style. Assembling the twist box is the same no matter if the sides are solid or open shapes. Begin by folding all straight crease lines as mountain folds. Fold the angle crease line as a valley fold, including the fold in the center of the leaf. Start assembling with the hexagon shape as the base. Adhere the bottom tab of each side panel to the inside of the hexagon shape. Adhere the side tab of each side panel to the neighboring panel until all sides are attached. To close the box, fold the leaves along the crease line. Gently fold in all of the upper squares along the angled crease lines, bringing the leaves towards the center. Starting with one folded leaf, bring it behind the fold of the leaf to the left and gently unfold that first leaf. Repeat until all leaves are layered and unfolded. Use the box with solid sides to hold treats, or add a piece of acetate or vellum behind the die-cut windows to hold visible treats. For a home decor idea, insert a battery-powered tea light to add a cool twist. Find your own fun way to create with my Tropicool twist box.